Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to make a group email on Gmail. You can easily create a group email in Gmail and send an email to those contacts with just a couple of clicks. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by clicking open a web browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, go to the waffle menu at the top right and click on Contacts. You'll end up in the Google Contacts page. Head over to the first contact you want to include in your group and then click on the checkbox. Once you click on the checkbox, check the name of every contact that you'd like to include in a group, and once you're done, go to the top of the screen and click on Manage Labels. In the drop-down, click on Create Label, and now enter the name for your email group label and click on Save. Once you've done that, at the left-hand side corner, you'll be able to see your label created. Click it on, and you'll be able to find all of the group members that you've added into this label. Now, go to your Gmail and click on Compose at the top left with a plus in it. In the new message text box, go to the recipient's text box and right next to the To text field, type in the name of your label and you'll be able to see it appear as a suggestion. Click it on and all the members you added to the label will appear. If you don't want to type it, you can simply click on the To button and in the pop-up window, click on My Contacts. Click on the name of the label from the list and soon after you do that, click on the Select All button and click on Insert. The group should now be in the email's To line. Now simply go ahead and type in the subject for your mail, type in the body of the text, and finally, click on Send. That is how you can easily make a group email on Gmail. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.